Hi pals, it's me, Duolingo, and today we are going to roast Porto Speaks. Why? Because it's a ripoff of my show. Martha Speaks, Drizzle Speaks, Giga Chicken Speaks, Dama Speaks, and I don't know what we should say next. Okay, anyways, let's begin the roasting video.
What is this world? And this world is built by like a kid. And what is this? Bro, just make your better show already.
Porto wasn't.
What kind of singers is this? Is those singers look like something bad in the theme song? Bro, just make your better singers already.
Average dog, he went.
Wolf,
And.
wolf,
And.
grrr.
Then he ate some alphabet soup and what happened was bizarre.
On the way to Porto's stomach, the letters lost their way, they traveled to his brain and now,
He got a lot to say, now he speaks.
How now? Brown cow.
Porto speaks, yeah he speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks.
What's the caboose? What are we eating again?
Porto speaks.
Hey, Joade, I know.
My name's not Joe.
He's not always right.
Bro, are you in the hallway? First off you were outside and now you are in the hallway. Bro, go back outside now. And why is this your friends and your friends look like a clown nerd? Bro, just shut up already.
But still, that Porto speaks.
Hi there.
He's got a voice, he's ready to shout. Porto will tell you what it's all about, sometimes wrong but seldom in doubt. Porto will tell you what it's all about, that dog's unique.
Testing.
Hey you, what is this picture? Are you loving with Hazel? Bro, oh my god, just make a better picture already.
1 2.
Hear him speak. Porto speaks and speaks and speaks and speaks.
Hey, why are you doing that? Just you want to have fun or what?
Communicates, enumerates, elucidates, exaggerates, indicates, and explicates, bloviates and overstates and yeah.
Get out of my face you black dog.
Hyperventilates.
Porto to reiterate. Porto speaks.
Bro, what is this logo? Is this logo made by? Also, get your better logo already.
And that's all the roasting video. And guess what? I roasted Porto Speaks, because it's a ripoff of Splash Speaks, Martha Speaks, Drizzle Speaks, Giga Chicken Speaks, Dama Speaks and more sub-speak shows. But anyways, this is me, signing off, so, bye.